Hello, my name is Nitin Paramal,
I'm Coco Liu.
and we're going to be building the Learning Center application for iOS.
So the purpose of this app is to have a easier access to the schedule of the tutor, and then a student will be able to easily sign up for a slot for the tutor appointments, and also it saves paperwork for the evaluation both for the tutor and the students.
And we believe that this application has a very good real-world purpose as it adds value even to Rose Hallman. As you can see, we start at this menu screen where this is the first screen you see when you open the application, and you use the screen to log in. Now, first, I'll be signing up as a student, and so I can put in some credentials. So I'll put in my name. I'll just use my name as my username. And then I can hit sign up, and I'm now signed up. I can now go back, go here, and then log in with my credentials. And as you can see, when I use the incorrect username and password, it doesn't work. So I will now use the correct credentials, hit sign in. Now I reach this date selecting screen where I can select the date that I wish to obtain help with my subject. So let's say I want February 17th. I will hit select. Now I see two tutors, and so I will pick Coco as the tutor that since that's the tutor that I would like to learn from. So as I can see, she has many available slots, but her second slot is currently filled, and if I try to select this slot, the program won't let me. So therefore, I will decide to pick the third slot. And so now I can hit OK to sign up for this third slot, and now my name is here. Now if I want to cancel my appointment, I can hit it again, and then I can hit OK to remove myself from the third slot. Now, another part of our student user login is the ability to write evaluations. So now I can go back to this available tutor screen. I can hit this button on the top right to write an evaluation for my tutor. I can hit OK, and now I can fill out this evaluation form with some information. So I'm just going to select these options here, and going to add some comments, and then hit submit. And as I can see, my evaluation is now complete. Now I hit OK. Now I'm signed up, and I've actually filled out an evaluation as if I've actually completed, and now we'll be moving on to the tutor login.
So right now we're going to do a tutor user login walkthrough. So as a tutor, you have to be assigned as a tutor through an Android device, and then the person have to log in as an administrator with a correct password. So if you want to see that feature, please come back tomorrow on Wednesday. That will be an Android walkthrough that we're doing a cross-platform app. So right now, I know a password and a username for a tutor. So that's my logins, and then you get to pick a date. So basically, the tutor have the same functionality as a student, but the only difference right now we have is when you click for the evaluation form, it will show two other different eval. So one is for peer tutor. When you click it, it shows you the eval that a peer tutor need to fill out. So we can fill it out as shown. Alright, then when you click submit, it will take you back to the available tutor screen, and then the other evaluation is for ESL tutor. So this will launch a website that is already existed. So there is for the ESL tutor.
Now we will be exploring the use of Firebase in our project as the database used as to the back end to our application. So I'll first show you how adding a user can affect the database. So I will sign up as a new student. So we'll just call myself Chocolate. My real name is Nitin. And my password is just going to be 123, and I will confirm with 123. And when I hit sign up, as you can see, a new user has appeared under the user part of our database. Now, our database does not only store users, it also stores evaluations, which I can now show you. So with my new user, I'll log in as Chocolate, 123. I'll select a date. I will just fill out an evaluation, and so in my evaluation we'll say 2017, and this evaluation I'll now pick some, so I have a purpose. I'll now pick some choices for my tutor, and I'll add a comment, just not applicable, and now I'll hit submit, and my evaluation's complete. And as we can see, the evaluation was added to our Learning Center app under a unique ID. So it is only identifiable through the website that we've developed that we'll be talking about next.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about our website that we built. This website is right now is a local host, so we don't need to spend much time maintaining it. So as you can see, we have a lot unique key for all the evaluations. If you go down under it, you can see all the filling up. And also we have evaluations for a specific tutor. One example is that you can send Jenkins JK is a tutor, and then he has evaluations underneath his record. So once we launch our website right here, you will pull out all the evaluations from the database as shown above. This is for the tutor evaluation, and this one will be student evaluations.
So that is the application that we have designed. We wrote it in Swift, Objective-C, and we also used JavaScript for the web portion of it. And if you want to check it out, there's also an Android version of this application.
So this Android version YouTube link will be linked right here, right here. If we finish it, we should be get it done by Wednesday tomorrow. So if you're interested, please come and check it out.